Let me help you manage your materials even better.
Are the steel plates in your workshop also piled up like this and lying around everywhere? Based on the LIFO principle, the steel plates placed at the bottom first can only be taken out last after all the upper ones are removed. Take a look at the workers in the video finding, and grabbing a needed steel plate is really tedious for them. They first have to move the upper steel plates aside, and after taking out the needed one, they still need to put the moved ones back. This invisibly cuts down work efficiency and raises labor costs. Oh friend, let me tailor-make a perfect steel plate storage solution just for you. This lets you sort and store your steel plates scientifically by category, no longer stress about finding the right one. Steel plates of every specification get their own dedicated pallets, and each pallet has a unique label so you can spot exactly what you need at a glance. Just grab whichever one you need directly, super straightforward. Follow me and shoot me an email. Dedicated engineers will help you solve your problems.